Hello, my name's Kanji Coder and I fucking hate this. Source code is here, let's fucking go. In the legal stuff section, okay? See these things right here? I don't got time to fucking read this. Fucking pause the goddamn screen. Right over here, also monkey wrench macros. Don't fucking type these things, okay? Pause the screen if you want to read them. We don't got fucking time, okay? Const macros by system. Down here in the bomb area constants, we have lowercase and uppercase single letters. These are the V16 values multiplied by 10 for reasons. You'll find out that out later, okay? Okay, down here in data by system, down here in the bomb area mutable data, we have a little tiny tile map, little tiny 16 by 16 tile map using this array constructor here, 256 elements, 16 by 16, 256, unit test array input. We're gonna start off with a blank canvas and run simulation on it. Okay, so these values, you should recognize them from earlier, okay? All the V16 values multiplied by 10. Okay, why the fuck are we making all these values? Well, let's go down here. Underscore is 255. We are going to pick out the C, J, and B from here, and then run a simulation and hope that those bombs make this pattern on our simulation canvas, right? Unit test array for spark pins. These represent spark pins, right? Okay, down here, unit test array lasers, right? Right facing, down facing, left facing, and up facing, right? We're gonna pull out those three letters, put them onto our mini tile map, run a simulation, and hope to get this shape, right? Down here, unit test array jacks. We're gonna pull out the I, V, F, and H from the tile map, load it into a blank simulation, run the simulation, and hope that we get this shape as the result, right? Okay, unit test array box, same thing. We're gonna pull out I, V, H, and V from the tile map, load it into a blank mini tile map, run a simulation, and hope that we get this shape, okay? Then down here, sanity check. Make sure that these single letters are equal to the constants that we went over in the beginning, okay? And that should be it. So here's our, footnotes and stuff. And we don't got any more time to go into any more detail. If you want a longer explanation, the longer explanation is on Ninja Playlist 10. Just go find the same video number, 935. You are on Kanji Playlist 10. We ain't got no fucking time here. Tech demos are here. Source code is here. My name is Kanji Coder, and I am making Bomberman on fucking steroids. If you like Bomberman, you're gonna fucking love this. You need to like, subscribe, and follow. My name's Kanji Coder.